Welcome to the high-tech heart of the corn milk industry, where nature's golden bounty meets the precision of modern engineering in a spectacular display. Giant trucks arrive at the massive facility, unloading thousands of fresh corn ears into the intake bins as the first step of this journey. Watch as a golden waterfall of fresh corn cascades into the receiving area, filling the air with the earthy scent of a successful harvest season. The rubber conveyor belts begin to hum, moving rhythmically as they transport the golden ears toward the advanced filtering and initial cleaning systems ahead. The scale of the operation is immense, showcasing a clean and modern environment where every machine is designed for maximum efficiency and food safety. Sophisticated sensors scan each ear of corn, ensuring that only the highest quality produce enters the next stage of our sophisticated mechanical processing line. Agile robotic arms move with incredible speed and accuracy, identifying and removing any pieces that do not meet the strict size and quality standards. This initial reception and sorting phase sets the foundation for a premium product, utilizing cutting-edge technology to maintain total consistency and pure flavor profile. We enter the mechanical processing zone, where high-speed automated systems prepare to strip away the outer layers of the corn in a rapid motion. Extreme close-up of the specialized rubber rollers spinning in opposite directions, designed to grip the husks without damaging the delicate kernels hidden inside. In less than half a second, each ear of corn is stripped bare, revealing the bright yellow kernels as the green husks are efficiently discarded. The bare cobs move forward in a steady line, gleaming under the factory lights as they prepare for the high-pressure cleaning and washing process. High-pressure water nozzles blast the corn from every angle, removing every trace of silk and ensuring the surface is perfectly clean for the next step. This intense rinsing cycle uses purified water, maintaining the highest standards of hygiene while preserving the natural sweetness and moisture of the fresh corn. The cleaned cobs approach the multi-point cutting station, where high-speed stainless steel blades are ready to perform their surgical task with absolute precision. Macro shot of the rotating blades spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute, positioned to maximize the yield from every single ear of corn. A beautiful rain of golden kernels falls into the collection trays as the blades slice them away, leaving the central cobs completely clean and bare. The spent cobs are diverted away, while the ocean of golden kernels moves forward, looking like a treasure trove of nature's finest agricultural gold. This precision cutting technology ensures that we capture only the best part of the grain, optimizing the raw material for the rich milk extraction. The collection bins fill rapidly with a vibrant sea of yellow as the ASMR sound of falling kernels echoes through this highly efficient industrial hall. The kernels transition into a vibrating wash tank, where subtle movements loosen any remaining microscopic impurities to ensure a final product of absolute purity. Every grain is inspected by optical sorters, using high-speed cameras to verify the color and quality before the grinding process begins in the next chamber. Now we enter the heart of the extraction phase, where the solid kernels will be transformed into a smooth, liquid essence through advanced milling technology. Inside the industrial mill, a three-dimensional view reveals the powerful grinding mechanisms that pulverize the corn kernels into a fine, consistent paste for processing. Powerful steel hammers and rotating plates work in harmony, applying just the right amount of force to release the starches and sugars from the grain. Pure, filtered water is introduced to the grinding chamber, blending perfectly with the crushed corn to create a thick, nutritious, raw milk base. This liquid transformation is a marvel of physics, as the solid vegetable matter is emulsified into a flowing stream of potential energy and delicious flavor. The raw mixture flows through a network of polished stainless steel pipes, moving toward the ultra-fine filtration system to remove all remaining solid particles. A series of vibrating mesh screens and centrifugal filters trap the coarse pulp, allowing only the smoothest liquid to pass through to the next stage. The separation of the fiber from the milk is a critical step, ensuring that the final texture is creamy and elegant on the palate. Watch as the smooth, golden liquid emerges from the filters, glowing with a natural radiance that signals its high quality and nutritional density. Every inch of the piping system is kept in a sterile condition, using automated cleaning cycles to prevent any contamination in this high-tech food facility. Temperature sensors monitor the flow, preparing the milk for the thermal transformation and homogenization that will define its final stability and shelf life. We move into the heat processing zone, where massive pressure cookers and UHT systems stand ready to treat the milk with scientific precision. Digital gauges and analog needles dance as the pressure and temperature rise, controlled by a central computer system that monitors every single variable. Wisps of steam escape from the safety valves as the system reaches the optimal temperature for sterilization and flavor development in the corn milk. The UHT process flashes the milk to a high temperature for just a few seconds, killing any bacteria while preserving the fresh, natural corn taste. Step inside the homogenizer with our 3D cross-section view, showing how the liquid is forced through tiny valves at incredibly high mechanical pressure levels. Under this extreme force, the fat molecules are shattered into microscopic particles, ensuring they remain evenly suspended in the liquid without ever separating. This homogenization process is what gives the corn milk its signature creamy mouthfeel, creating a stable emulsion that looks as good as it tastes. At a molecular level, the liquid is being restructured for perfection, resulting in a smooth consistency that will remain uniform throughout its entire shelf life. The high-speed flow through the valves creates a powerful kinetic energy, blending the natural ingredients into a harmonious and delicious beverage for consumers. Immediately after the heat treatment, the milk enters the shock cooling phase, where it is rapidly chilled to lock in the nutrients and flavor. Cold water circulates through heat exchangers, dropping the temperature of the milk in seconds to maintain its vibrant golden color and refreshing aromatic profile. This rapid thermal change is essential for food safety, stopping the cooking process at exactly the right moment to ensure the best possible quality. Quality control officers take samples at this stage, testing the consistency and flavor to make sure the batch meets the brand's exacting standards. We enter the sterile bottling hall, a pristine environment where thousands of empty containers are moving in a synchronized dance of modern automation. Endless rows of white and clear bottles march along the conveyor belts, looking like a vast army of glass and plastic ready for filling. The conveyor lines curve gracefully through the factory floor, resembling a winding river of industry that never stops its rhythmic and productive forward motion. The bottles enter the sterile filling cloth, where they are rinsed one last time with ionized air and purified water before the liquid arrives. Automatic filling nozzles descend in perfect unison, aligning with the mouths of the bottles with a level of precision that is truly mesmerizing to watch. In a flash of golden color, the corn milk is dispensed into the bottles, filling them to the exact milliliter in a fraction of a second. Slow-motion footage captures the beautiful swirl of the milk as it fills the container, showing the perfect viscosity and rich, creamy texture of the product. Every bottle is filled with the exact same volume, monitored by laser sensors that communicate with the central control system to prevent any waste. The filled bottles move instantly to the capping station, where the protective seals will be applied to preserve the freshness and safety of the milk. Powerful pneumatic presses snap the caps into place with a definitive click, creating an airtight seal that protects the golden contents from the environment. The rhythmic sound of the capping machine creates a mechanical heartbeat for the factory, perfectly synchronized with the movement of